Hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog series of taking the truck apart. I gotta have this truck's engine and rear diff pulled and put back into my other Overland truck, and have my other Overland truck all put back together by the 4th. I've got 2 weeks. So let's just dive right into it, and I'll take you guys along on my chaos of trying to get everything done. So we last left off with getting the back of the truck all torn apart and getting the truck in the garage. Now it's time to dive into it, and we got to get that rear diff pulled, got to get this motor out. This is where it's at right now, and kids over here making use of the canopy system. Now be careful, guys, don't break it. Colton, be careful, okay?
Yeah.
Is that your guys' fort? For now.
Yeah. I'm a zombie. I'm a zombie. Oh yeah. I'm a zombie. No.
All right, just remember, don't break things, okay? Because it makes more work for me. Anyways, kids always take advantage of something new, especially like that. So anyways, plan is that's gonna go on the black truck tent. I'm going to mount directly to the canopy system instead, because this this was on there when I got the canopy. It's a rack off of an old Jeep Wagoneer, but the hardware was coming loose and I did not like it. And also I'm trying to make my setup a lot lower, because it's all about the wind drag with these little trucks, and you know, having something way high like that, it sucks down my gas and I don't have as much power to work with. So it's all about keeping it as low as possible. So I'm gonna try to repaint my canopy system. Don't know if it's gonna happen. I like to, but I'm gonna try this time just mounting the tent onto the canopy. So we'll give that a try. But all right, let's dive into it. We got tear that rear end apart, put another one back in it so I can roll it, and then get that motor out. So this is the state of the 94. Like I said, I pulled the rear diff out of it so I could put it in the red truck. This canopy I don't like. It's just it's like plastic ejection mold, you know, ejection mold, where my other one's fiberglass, and it's just too flimsy. Like, I seriously don't trust me sleeping on the top of that, so that's got to go. Let's see here, I think, yeah, so my CB radio is still in. As you can see, I started pulling switches for air locker and my compressor. These buckets have to come out because I've got always 2 kids who want to go with me, so I gotta take this out and I gotta put the bench seat in, so that'll be fun. Motor's good. Let's see here. This has got a good window. I wonder if this would fit on my canopy. I do want to transfer this. I made this. It's nice storage. But I got to hook up my air system, which goes clear back up in the corner. And let's see here. Got to put the rear diff back in. And I pulled some more lights. So these lights are for, let's see here. This is for my light bar. That's an empty. This was for the lights that go in the back cargo area. I had lights back there when I had the bed rack, and I wanted to put them back in there. My patches are falling down. I'm gonna have to redo that. Oh no. And it's because it's warm. Glue gets all thawed out. So let's see here. At least the tires aren't flat. All right. And there you go. And I got to take the head off of this engine and put it on the other engine, because there is some differences with the carbureted versus the EFI, and the head that is on this engine is brand new and it's only got a couple 100 miles on it, so might as well put this head back on because it'd be a lot better. So yeah, there you go. There's my chaos. That's what I've got to do in the next 2 weeks. So might as well get at it, see what we can do, and just hope for the best. All right, we've got replacement diff is in, axle shafts are back in. Now I just got to throw the tires back on. So yeah, that's phase one, I guess. No, phase two. Phase one was getting all the stuff off of the back of the red truck. So phase two was changing out the gears. Phase three will be putting the gears back in the black truck. And then phase four would be motor in the red truck. Phase five would be motor in black truck. Phase six would be everything on all the Overland stuff back on the back of the black truck. Something like that. I don't know. I just made that up. So anyways, rear diff is all back together. Now I just got to throw the tires on. I just did enough to make it roll because I'm going to be tearing this rear end apart again in the future. You know, if I was going to be driving it, then obviously I'd put it all back together. But motor's coming out, so no need. Anyways, thanks guys. Stay tuned for the next vlog and we'll go from there.